It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, good morning and welcome back to my channel. DEBORAH EMEM here. If this is your first time on my channel, please become a bestie by hitting that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you besties. So as the title says, today is a full get ready with me. So we're going to be doing our makeup, our hair, our outfit, our fragrance, and also guess what? Jewelry! Like, jewelry is my favorite, okay? I love jewelries. So that brings us to SILVIAX Jewelry. Is a company that makes personalizable jewelry. We have earrings, necklaces, bracelets, bangles, anklets, just name it, they have it. So if you have a birthday coming up, now that Christmas is just like around the corner and we're still in the festive season, you can definitely get your loved one a gift, your mom, your sis, your bro, your daughter, your brother, your hater, your friend, your bestie. And yeah, they also have like matching jewelry pieces. So you name it, they have all sorts of jewelry, like amazing. They have some nice rings. They have the kind of necklaces that have like those pictures in it. So if you want to give somebody who lost somebody, that's an amazing gift idea, I think. So SILVIAX Jewelry were kind enough to send me some pieces that I'm going to be showing you and styling in this video. So are you ready for that? So make sure you check the link in the description box for all the details. Instagram, YouTube links will be there. And also they were kind enough to send us a 10% discount code. Yay! So the 10% discount code will be here. It's simple. It's MM10. EMEM10. So when you use that code, you get 10% off your total order. Okay? Yeah, so make sure you check that code out. Make sure you check the link. Let them know that the besties sent you, okay? Let them know. So yeah, so thank you once again, SILVIAX Jewelry, for partnering with me on this video. And without further ado, let us get into this beat. So we're just gonna jam out while I do my makeup so it's not boring. So enjoy the music, okay besties? Because you know I always come with the sounds. I always come with the lit playlist, so enjoy.
Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my hand, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the Greece, full speed, so for that belly, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the Greece, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce, baby, and hitting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Life sweet, baby, on the speedway. get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, come me.
Okay, so for fragrance today, I'm using my Zara Emochi Attire in Tokyo. I got this, I think, this year, early this year, and I have a vlog where I told you all about the scent. It scents very powdery, very soft, and kind of like an old lady mixed with baby powder. So this is what I was using. So this is what I use today. I really love it. As you can see, it's almost done because this is my only Zara perfume. So if you are sleeping on Zara perfumes, don't, because they be hitting, okay? They be hitting. So I'll do my best to get some more Zara perfumes and let you guys know what I think. So yeah. So that's it, besties. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite part. Was it my makeup, hair, outfit, fragrance, jewelry? Let me know which you liked. And also, thank you so much once again, SILVIAX Jewelry, for partnering with us on this video. I hope you guys like the pieces I picked up. Also, let me know in the comment section which piece was your favorite. For me, I think I love both. So yeah, because they have my name on it. So all the links will be in the description box. Website link, Instagram link, and also my 10% discount code will be in the description box. But in case you don't want to look there, it's here. MM10. So you will get 10% off anytime you use my code on SILVIAX Jewelry. Let them know DEBORAH EMEM sent you, or let them know I sent you. So I also like to wish all my besties and non-besties, if you're a non-bestie, join the gang by subscribing. I love to wish you an amazing, happy new year. 2022 is going to be our year of luxury, our year of growth, our year of wealth, our year of health, happiness, joy, and the whole shebang. Okay, so yeah. So thank you again. If you watch this video to this point, like, you're the real MVP. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for rocking with us, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to ride.